Only Patak I make. But Jaden Chase there to make the fans them know what really I go on.
Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, wanna find the Gaza Station. Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and exciting reasoning on the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and for also leave a like, a comment, and yes, but a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, Vybz Kartel case. Case of the century indeed. Now, viewers and subscribers, we see why Popcaan statements and Vybz Kartel current situation have always been strategic. The system, viewers and subscribers, has not forgotten Popcaan. Now, recently he put out a video with an artist and his song not getting the right reaction, and right away after that we see propaganda take place. The Poppy get whole with shoes. As a matter of fact, we are making him explain, and then we are going to continue the reasoning.
Yeah, man, me I watch your style, man. So I try to tarnish my name and sit, man, is it? Yeah. You're outside door, though.
Yes, viewers and subscribers, and as I pointed out, how coincidental, right after that video was posted, we hear this story circulating the media. No, the artist said them a try tarnish him name, viewers and subscribers. Unregistered shoes, them go. No time at all. At this point in time, Unruly Entertainment is an officially registered entity. With that being said, Popcaan can, yes, go for FLA. Enough people know about that. FLA and get him licensed so he can have shoes on him and not to worry himself, viewers and subscribers. And numerous affiliates of Popcaan have them licensed shoes around them. You get what me I say? So when me hear the talk circulate right away, me I say, yo, the priests them, the peasants are at work, viewers and subscribers. This away them a try. These are some of the artists who I would say, in my own personal opinion, probably want the teacher where he is currently. Them no want the teacher released. Numerous time we will reason on this topic. And when we discuss this topic, we realize that we have mixed reviews. There are even people who choose to take to the comment section. And I say, why we are talking about this? Like them not realize the importance of this situation and what take place right before our very eyes, viewers and subscribers. It will take place right before our very eyes, and this could happen to any individual. As one say, Popcaan has been strategic, and maybe people have advised them, say, watch, you know, be careful of what you say about this current situation, because remember, you are the only artist, male artist, that was so close to the teacher who is not currently where he is right now. Some people even make talk and say, wait, Popcaan probably even sell out the teacher. Now, we have never heard the teacher personally make that statement, but we have heard numerous statements stating such. But one of the days of talk about that, we are talking about the facts. Recently, stories have circulated about the artist, and him a clear that up. We see him found out fully diamond out. I said, no, nothing like that. It wasn't us. Know what I mean? And me and nobody from my camp. We're good. We're alright. Viewers and subscribers, if they are in their feelings about statements being said, well, all them have to do is put out good music. Their music is not like the Gaza music or artists that have been associated or brought to prominence by Vybz Kartel. The music lackluster. The music have put people to bed in the venue. And them on a J Holiday. Oh, the music have put people to bed and them on a J Holiday, viewers and subscribers. Long time artists for who don't know. You can Google him and sit them have a song titled The Bed, and the next song with them drop at that them for title it took as a sleep session. Now, viewers and subscribers, as I say, the artist has found out, liars have even made statements said no, there was no formal arrest. It was not Popcaan. this is just another rumor. These are attempts, viewers and subscribers, by the opposition in a dancehall music. Because we are in. And every artist we associated at one point in time with Vybz Kartel, them career do extremely well. Extremely well at this point in time. You can't name no artist. Well, maybe Rhino. You don't know what they go on with Rhino. And him try something a dancehall music. Actually right now dancehall music a pre-Rhino. And that's why film career really depend on the level where it's supposed to be. Javinci now are the same thing with him. But him not really do much music. And anytime him do drop something, the people them still react to it in a good way. You know what I mean? But every artist associated. We know artist Sheba say one day she go to Africa. But tour off of some song what she do with Vybz Kartel from 08. No, not 08. From about 09. She do them song there. And now one day she got tour off of these said song viewers and subscribers. Vanessa Bling still go off foreign and say one man to a good something here. One man. She still go off foreign and saying that. I see in Israel and that the people them want hear. The feature with the teacher. Them no want hear no other song. So viewers and subscribers, remember at all times there is somewhat of, me that call it, an agenda taking place in the music. And there are some artists, viewers and subscribers, none of them play a part tonight hour. But them want the teacher behind the bars. But funny or coincidental is the situation. Because look on this. The fact that them want the teacher where he is currently. But them can ascend to the level of stardom where them claims say them want or them claims say them there. I suspect this showcasing we got forward out for one boy show, but if I call him name, will be a very low turnout. Unless there's no event being held in Kingston at that date and the people them just want somewhere to go. And most people still won't be turning out. Them now have no hit songs where you go there for go listen. Songs from yesteryear. What them gonna call it? Best of the 2017s. And must that them gonna call them showcasing. But because it can't be new rules with old songs. It can't be new rules with old songs. Them a try a thing, viewers and subscribers. Yeah, them a try a thing. Them a try tarnish Popcaan record. Them want to make it look like say, yes, that the him thing now. Them want the people overseas the ear and say, wait, oh, what going with the artists? Travel documents, look stream travel documents. Remember, even simple situations like this. We have seen minor situations cause artists to lose travel documents to certain areas. So when you see the artists fall out cool, calm and collective and I say, yo, them a try tarnish me name. Them a feel like say the artists are serious about what I say. Of course the artist serious about what I say, viewers and subscribers. It's just that you have to have different approach. Them say different strokes for different folks, viewers and subscribers. You have to know what you do in the streets. And at this point in time, you have to also say R.I.P. Pop Smoke. Definitely an artist we may listen to from New York City, viewers and subscribers. An artist we also associated with Popcaan himself. You know what I mean? Recently we see them all a conversation and the GSA, yo. You know what I mean? They had plans to link up in a New York in a this year, viewers and subscribers. That won't be happening. You know what I mean? Pop Smoke has met a tragic end, viewers and subscribers. You know what I mean? As I say, definitely R.I.P. to Pop Smoke. You know what I mean? I don't know, my condolences to all I'm loved ones and family members and, you know what I mean? Well wishers, things of that nature. Good artists, viewers and subscribers are forward out in the music industry overseas and I make a name for himself in a short space of time. You know what I mean? Without any major co-sign. Independent artists as well them that say. You know what I mean? And most dancehall artists can relate. But no, Vybz Kartel definitely can relate. You know what I mean? People would say the co-sign was by Bounty Killer, and that is true. Bounty Killer bring Vybz Kartel to prominence. But we are talking about being an independent artist or put out music on his own label. Yes, not even Bounty that do that. Vybz Kartel one of the first artists to start do that. Even from Bounty Killer camp. And right now, whole heap of other farmer proteges, Bounty Killer we are talking about, some of a label I think, you know what I mean, teacher of him label, multiple labels, and a couple other artists probably have labels, but the teacher one of the first prominent artists to go out there and do it, have his own label as an independent artist and make a name for himself worldwide at the Jaim Records, Vybz Kartel Music, just to name a few. He also bring producers out there. Right now you have Ed Concussion Records that are Russian signed to Universal. You know what I mean? Not Nice Records that what they put out an album titled The Midas Touch. Him definitely do it for a whole heap of individuals, viewers and subscribers. Vybz Kartel, definitely the daddy in a dancehall music, undisputed, the champion. Vice the one called Jaden Chase, viewers and subscribers, the dancehall correspondent. Yeah man, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminding all of those who are new to the movement, new to the channel, new to the reason, just a pass through, but I like the reason of course, and I like the point of view. Well, I am suggesting that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon and put it on all, so that you can be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available to you right here on the platform, viewers and subscribers. The like icon is also there as well. So if I like, we drop a like on the vlog, viewers and subscribers. The share icon there too. So drop a share on the vlog. Tell a friend, but tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning, viewers and subscribers. You know how the something go. Yeah man, you know what I mean? The comment section always open 24/7. Drop your thoughts, the comments and your opinions there, and we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Up move settings fam, of course. I will need a ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours. I want to live, love and prosper until we reason again.